Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The most beautiful, rich, and precise language in the world, the language chosen by Allah for His final revelation, the language of the Quran. Today we begin our journey to understand its beauty through Arabic grammar, inshallah, step by step. We started with a simple yet important word, hada. Before that, we are going to learn some words, then you can practice it with grammar. Bismillah, Rabbi zidni ilman. Baitun, house. Masjidun, mosque. Babun, door. Kitabun, book. Qalamun, pen. Miftahun, key. Maktabun, table. Sarirun, bed. Now get into the lesson. First we are going to learn about the word hada. Hada is an Arabic word which is used to point out something nearer to the speaker or an object. Like in English we use this is a tree, this is a book, this is a house. The same form we use hada instead of this in Arabic. I'll give you an example. Hada baitun. Hada baitun. This is a house. Here, hada means this. Baitun, house. It forms a sentence like this is a house. Now shall we learn about the pronunciation? Okay. Hada is pronounced hada, but it is written without the first alif, which I underlined above. See, I didn't write any alif after ha, but we pronounce it with like hada. Okay, always remember this and pronounce like hada, but don't put any alif after ha. Now learn about how to use this word in a sentence. We use hada to start sentences and introduce objects or people. See here, hada baitun. We start the sentence with hada. After that, we mentioned an object baitun. Like this, if we add any speaker, same form we write hada rajulun. Rajulun means man. The simple sentence, we can use it very easily. This is a very easy lesson. Hada, we start a sentence with this hada. After that, we write an object or a speaker. In Arabic, we have genders. Hada is a masculine noun. Its feminine noun is hadihi. Before every feminine words or an object or a speaker, we use hadihi instead of hada. Okay, inshallah, with upcoming lessons, we will study about hadihi. If you have any confusions, please stay calm. Inshallah, with upcoming lessons, we can understand easily. Be consistent with the lessons which I upload. Let's practice. I will say the sentences and you can repeat after me. Hada baitun. Say hada baitun. This is a house. Okay. Hada maktabun. This is a table. Okay. Hada qalamun. This is a pen. Okay. Hada kitabun. This is a book. Okay. Now I have an exercise for you. You have to write hada masjidun. Meaning of hada masjidun. Today we learned hada and hadihi and we learned how to use them in sentences. Every small step in Arabic brings you closer to understanding the Quran and its meaning. Keep practicing and inshallah next time we will learn more words and simple sentences. Let me know about your today's class and also if you have any doubts please comment it. Inshallah I will clear it in the next class. If you like my teaching, give me a thumbs up. Inshallah will you see on next class and I have you an exercise number 1. Write the sentence for hada masjidun and also will you try using a sentence with hada? If you can, comment below. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.